Welcome, creators, digital marketers, and entrepreneurs of all kinds. I wanted to take a second here to welcome you to my channel. In case we haven't met before, my name is Rob Orr, and I'm an award-winning web designer and developer who's absolutely obsessed with digital marketing and online business. That's why on this channel, we're talking about how to create a killer website, how to publish epic content, how to create amazing, irresistible offers that your audience is dying to buy from you, how to create amazing sales funnels that are doing business on autopilot for you, how to generate traffic, how to convert that traffic, and we're talking about how to build an amazing community of your dream clients. And so that's why I've created this channel. I wanted to create a resource with actionable, helpful information that will help you either start your own online business if you don't have one, or take your existing online business to the next level. So make sure that you hit subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any of the great stuff that I've got coming for you on this channel. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you get all the alerts for every time I publish a new video, and we'll see you on the inside.